So we just added the Pso-Sprocket. This mimics the shape, so the width of the hand, but then now it rolls. So this is like the Pso spine, but now in a circle. This goes on the customizable Pso stick. We don't pull on the handles to take these handles off. We grab onto the beads, and then that's how we're able to get this to come off. All right. Now we can add multiple sprockets, which I'll show you in a second, or just keeping one. One's really nice. We can get into a lot of different areas. So we get it here. This gives it a nice little, open it up a little bit so it spins nicely. Now this is what we want to do getting into our hamstrings. Now I can sit on a bench here. This is going to help get deep into those hamstrings. Feels good there. I can work on the outside here. So working into our calves can feel really nice too with the sprocket. I can get into the front part, get into that shin here if I have any shin splints that's going on. Get in there. I can get into the outside part of my calf, but really mainly this thing is designed to get into that hamstring, that inner groin, to give you some more pressure and release in those muscles, especially in the hamstrings. 180 twists. Because this right here, since it rolls and the width of the peaks, I can be able to really pull in there